friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be baking blueberry muffins from scratch in the air fryer. So here are the ingredients we need. We need blueberries for the blueberry muffins. We also need eggs, sugar, vanilla, milk, vegetable oil, flour, and baking powder. So very simple ingredients. And you also need the silicone muffin cups for the air fryer. So first, I'm going to put silicone muffin cups in the air fryer. So this is 6 cups. So take out the air fryer basket and just put the silicone muffin cups in the air fryer. And next I will spray the inside of the muffin cups with a non-stick cooking spray so the muffins don't stick to the air fryer. Or as an alternative, you can also brush inside of them with vegetable oil. Okay, now let me set this aside for now, and I'm going to mix all ingredients. So first, I will crack 1 egg in a bowl. And add 1/3 cup of sugar. And now mix it together. So next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. One-third cup of milk. Two tablespoons of vegetable oil. And mix it together. And now let's add 1 cup of flour. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And again, let's mix until combined. So now last step would be adding the blueberries. So I'm going to add the blueberries to the batter, and I'm going to save a few to sprinkle on top. So add almost all of them and just save a few for sprinkling on top. And carefully mix it into the batter. And now let's transfer this into the muffin cups. So just divide it evenly between the muffin cups. And the last step would be to sprinkle the remaining blueberries on top. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 20 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at these delicious blueberry muffins. So big with brown tops. They look amazing. Now let's take them out. These air fryer muffins look so good, and it was so easy to make them. I'm so excited about trying them. Wow, look at that. Perfect muffin. So good. Now let's cut it and see what's inside. Perfectly cooked. It looks so good. The inside is perfectly cooked and the outside is so nicely browned. Now let's try it. It tastes as good as it looks. Amazing. You're going to love making these air fryer muffins. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!